Hey guys, welcome to this new video we're doing on the intro to Diary of a Madman by Randy Rhoads and Ozzy Osbourne. Checking out the cool stylings, the awesome chords of Randy Rhoads in this video. So let's get started and jump right into it. Hey guys, and welcome to this video on the intro to Diary of a Madman by Ozzy Osbourne and Randy Rhoads. This is a really beautiful set of chords that kind of intertwine, kind of changing keys a few times and stuff like that. I'm going to tell you exactly what the names of the chords are here, because I think that's really a good thing to know when you're kind of learning something and starting to get into music theory, is like how to identify like chords and stuff. Okay, so let's go through this. Okay, so the first chord is an A major sharp 11. So the order of the picking here is just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So down, 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 up, 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 up. You're going to see a chord diagram right above me right now. So that's A major 7, sorry, A major sharp 11. Then we drop a finger onto the 5th fret for an A7 sharp 11, same picking pattern. One thing I should note here is that I'm tuned down a half step, right? So the whole intro, the whole song is tuned down a half step to E flat. So here's that second chord, A7 sharp 11. One thing also to take note of is the tempo kind of varies a little bit. It kind of, starts off kind of speeds up and slows down. That third chord is an A diminished 7. And this whole time the picking pattern is staying the same, that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, that picking pattern, down, 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 up, 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 up. Next chord, we're going to a B minor 7 flat 5 over A. Really beautiful change from that diminished, that minor 7 flat 5. Okay, our next chord A add 9 to a A minor add 9. Then we throw our third finger to the 6th fret, 6th string 3rd fret for an A minor add 9 over G. This is where the picking pattern changes. Okay, so we're doing 6, 3, 2, 3. Again, 6, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we're going to a D minor add 9 over F. And that picking pattern is the same for those two chords. So it's 6, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally to one of the most beautiful chords of the entire progression, the last chord, the E add 9. We're kind of staggered doing this in thirds. So let's go through the picking pattern of that last chord. Okay, so we have 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. And then we end on a minor third. We have first finger on the 3rd fret 2nd string and second finger on the 4th fret 3rd string. So that's it. I mean, all the chord diagrams like you see are here, so take your time with this. It's a really, really awesomely beautiful, dark kind of chord progression. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys have suggestions for future tutorials, just leave them below in the comments. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time for the next Rocky School of Music video.